Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can block the senders or users on AOL Mail. So let's go ahead and start the video. The first step is to open AOL Mail on any of your browser and log into your account. Then let's go ahead and go to Inbox. And let's suppose I want to block this user over here. I'll just go ahead and tick on it. You can see the tick mark over here. Then I'll go to more and you can see block senders over here. So you can go ahead and click on block senders and you can see please verify that you want to block messages from the following email senders. So you must tick on this, click on block all future emails and delete all existing emails if you want. And after you're done, go ahead and click OK. So you can see that the block email or the sender has been blocked. So guys, it's quite easy. All you need to do is go ahead and click on the person who you don't want to hear from, go to more, click on block senders, and you can click on this box and all three of these and click on OK. And this way you can block the sender or people on AOL Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.